got your feet. Oh, where's my Yamaha remote?
I don't know what you did with it. You had it.
Didn't hear the rear right then.
I did.
Oh, I've got to do the ARC, haven't I? Oh, thank you. Should be on as a bloody default that anyway, shouldn't it? So now if I go back to Sky.
Jane, not me. Esther, not me.
You let Holly have the MMR.
Well, then she could have easily got it from someone else. She could even have given it to Holly. You are
Cool.
not fit to be a mother.
That's it.
I hope he prosecute you. I hope they take her away from you.
Ruby, just stop.
I was about to go for one.
I'm sorry, I was childish.
I was expecting a grown-up discussion about your future.
I don't know what's good for us to try it. Saying that we should leave it
You were patronising.
bedding in for a few hours before we do anything crazy, shouldn't we?